Welcome everyone. I'm going to do a transfer swipe again. I just think these are an awesome technique. So if I have enough white paint down here, I'm going to have to get some more from my can. There's a goober there. A little bit too much. I'll put some down here for my transfer swipe has to go down there. That should be okay now. Okay, I made up my azo orange. There's a tinge of black in there just to tone it down a bit. But there you go. I was almost out of my orange. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put red oxide down. This is JoSonja Indian red oxide. I'll just put one right here. Try not to make it too big. I'll put the orange. And that's some Van Dyke Brown by Amsterdam. And this is a Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. And some gold. This is Pebeo iridescent gold. And I'm going to do the same down here. First, I'm using Van Dyke Brown as a cell activator. I'll get my little spatula if I can find it. I'm going to use this one, I guess. And let's put some down. That's pretty, but I need to get this spread out a little more. Yeah, I'll go. It's weird, but whatever. It'll be fine, hopefully. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my, if you can see my other tile here. I'm gonna make my my other swipe over here. Okay. Put some on here. All right. Doesn't look too bad. Well, I got quite the mess going here today. Time to tidy up. Oh, what did I do there? I hope I have enough. Now I think I can do the card. Hopefully. I'm going to decide where I'm going to do this. Just hope I have enough to do it. All right. That's kind of weird. I almost feel like I want to do another one, but maybe not. Let's see. Well, let's just modify this a little. right, let's give this a spin. I don't mind that little white line going through there, so let's see what we get. Oh, there's something in there. What that was. Okay, let's see what we got here. Tilt it this way a little more. This part's really pretty right here. Come this way a little bit, maybe. It's kind of neat. I like how you get the nice controlled cells that aren't stretched too much, and then the stretched ones. Excuse me. Well, trying to go this way would look good, I think. I'll tilt it a little more this way. It's not moving much now, so I think we're probably good. It's moving now. Yeah, she's not moving much now. Okay. I think she's good. I think I'm going to leave it now. See how it dries. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And I hope you're learning something from my videos. And this is my bloom paint recipe that I'm using today. And I have my recipes in the description under the video. And there's a couple of different recipes for cell activator in there also. All right, I'm going to leave this one alone and let it dry and see what it comes out like. I'll put the dried results at the end of the video. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for coming by. Hit the bell for notifications. You'll get notified when I do a new video. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. It really helps out my channel, so I can keep giving you these great videos. I love doing them, that's for sure. Keeps me busy. Okay. Have a good day, everybody, and see you later. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried wooden cradle board. Dried really good. Swipe is good. It's really pretty. Nice colors. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.